In this video, we will show you one of the first game templates that we built in Adobe Captivate. It's an adventure game where you have to help our main character Gustav get ready for a trip. You can help Gustav to prepare by answering questions. If you answer correctly, you will receive an item, but if you choose the wrong answer, he won't be able to go on the trip. Here's the first question where we can gain a map. Unfortunately, we chose the wrong answer, and we didn't get a map. Now we have the chance to gain a tent. Great, we answered correctly and got our first item. The next question allows us to get a compass, but unfortunately we didn't get it. In the final question, we can get a medical kit. We chose the right answer. Great. Even though we received some of the items, Gustav will not be able to go on the trip, and you can try again. So this is a simple game template that you can easily use and replace the questions and answers with anything else. Let me show you how the game template looks in Captivate. Here you can see all slides, and as this is a responsive game template, you can also switch from one screen size to another. Try to edit all information in the desktop view so that all information would be the same in every view. Let's go to the question slide, and here we can easily edit the question text, like this. Click on the answer options and add your texts. You can change the correct answer by clicking on the radio button. And you can also easily add more answer options if you need them. Great, we have edited the first question, but I will also show you how you can turn any question into multiple choice. Let's go to the second question and check this checkbox. Now you can add multiple choice questions with more than one correct answer. These checkboxes will show you which ones are marked as correct ones. After each question, we have a feedback slide like this. You can easily edit these texts as well. Once you're done with one of the feedbacks, you can open up the timeline and edit the other one too. You can also add more questions by duplicating the existing ones. Select both slides and click Duplicate. Great! Now you have 5 questions in your game. If you want, you can also change the settings for completing the game. Go to Quiz, Quiz Preferences, and here you can change the percentage of points that learner needs to get to receive positive feedback. If you want, you can also easily change colors of all texts. Select the answer text and choose the color you like. Then click Save Changes to Existing Style. And now all of your question texts will be in the chosen color. Here you can see in the previous slides. So now you know how to use our adventure game template in Captivate. Thank you for watching.